Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. It's got this 2015 Passat CC in today. Rear fog light not working on it. Basically chased the fault down to a wiring issue. So you've got the runner, the channel for the boot there where the wire's running. There is pivot in this bottom piece there. So we've just stripped the wiring back. And you can just see, got two broken wires there. We've got loads of wires that have all bared there as well. And some of them, although they hadn't broken, was actually touching each other as well where the wires had bared. So you're gonna have to have a good look at this loom now. Obviously repair them two wires, insulate the other wires properly, and have a good go in getting it sorted. But once I've done that, I'll just test it. Soon the fog lights should be working then, and we can get everything built back up. Well, midway through the job now, I'll just show you if we just operate the fog light now. Got it turning on. Yeah, so just temporarily tried it with these two wires that was broke. That was right next to each other. So just wanted to confirm the correct way around. But yeah, we can get everything repaired properly now. Get them other wires insulated, and yeah, get it all back together. Right, so just got the wiring back together up there. Just re-insulated it. Obviously the wires are repaired in there. There's a little bit of a nest of wiring from where someone's previously fitted a tow bar. Not going to disturb that too much, but just go in the car now and just show you that it's working correctly. So before we had the bulb warning on, the bulb warning's gone off now. But with this fault, the telltale light did work, so it was coming on and off to say that the fog light was working. But just one thing to be wary of with these Passats as well is when the tailgate's up, it won't actually turn the fog light on. With a diagnostic machine, if you operate the fog light, it will turn it on with it in the upright position. But if you are checking for the fog light working without a diagnostic tool, you will need to check it with the tailgate down just to put the fog on, that's all. But yeah, so we'll just put the fog on there and we'll just show you quickly which one's the fog on the light unit itself as well. You can just see at the minute it's not on. If we shut it down, it then comes on, which is that one there. Yeah, that's it. Just thought I'd put that video together. Just a quick bit of information on a fog light fault on this Passat. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.